VA loans were created to honor those who chose or have chosen to give their time and service to our country. It's because of these individuals that we have this amazing thing in our country called freedom. These are the people who have served or are currently serving in the military, the National Guard, the reserves, and the surviving spouses. Now, there are many benefits to a VA loan. The primary one is that there's no down payment required. That's huge. Now, second, there's no mortgage insurance, or what we might call MI or PMI, which is typically required on any loan with less than 20% down. VA does not require MI because the VA guarantees a portion of the loan, reducing the risk lenders take. Third, VA loans typically have lower interest rates than conventional mortgages, which can reduce the monthly mortgage payment. Lastly, VA loans allow, if negotiated, the seller to pay some or all of the buyer's closing costs. That's a huge benefit when combined with a zero down payment. So now you might be wondering, what are the qualifications that are needed? It's fairly easy. First, we check eligibility by obtaining a COE or certificate of eligibility with the VA. Next, we check credit score, debt to income. It's pretty flexible with VA loans, but do be cautious when selecting a lender. Many lenders and banks will put their own additional guidelines on top of the VA rules. Therefore, the program becomes not as flexible. Reach out if you have questions. One more thing. Every VA loan has a funding fee. This fee is there to support the VA program so that other veterans and their families can receive the same benefit. The fee is a percentage of the total loan amount, and it can be rolled into the loan. A buyer may be eligible for a waiver of this funding fee if they have the correct service-connected disability. Now let's talk about the property requirements. First, the property must be the buyer's primary residence. The second, the property must meet VA guidelines, including it must be free of any structural defects, mechanical, electrical issues, including safety. It must supply adequate heating, and in some areas, there are some requirements regarding pest and termite reports. The pest or termite requirement does apply in California. Third, it can't be used for commercial properties or to buy investment or rental properties. And fourth, if the property is a condo, it must be approved by the Department of VA Affairs. Lastly, remember the most important things about these loans is that they are just one way of thanking the dedicated personnel of the U.S. military and their family for their service. This mortgage can make a home ownership possible and provide some much needed comfort and freedom, just like they gave us. VA loans have many layers to it, but you don't have to navigate this alone. We are here to help you or somebody that you might know. Veterans live by the motto to put service above self, and for that selfless act, we are ready to serve you and those you know.